Hello everyone, welcome back. So I believe if you have stuck till now with me, we are in the seventh video of this series, the playlist. And so first thing first, I had given you an assignment last time, which was to print these three lines using the classical way of the Java. So how would you do that? So I'll just I have something bonus for you along with the item. As you can see, the course resource does not have the link, so I'll show you how I do that also, as in how I upload it. I mean, I'll feel like doing it like in the movies they do, the hackers just keep on typing things, so maybe I'll give you a feel of that. So let's see. So first we'll do it. So in the drive, I'll create a new file for you to see. So okay, what was the assignment? Write a diagram. Okay, so I'll call it, let's say, class. Now again, make sure the C is small, and congratulations if you have already done it, proud of you. So I'll call it assignment 1. And I'm done. Okay, so this is the only time probably I'll write it. I won't need it later. For window users, open notepad, type above, save as. The file name should be assignment 1 .java. Open cmd, go to folder where the file is saved, and finally do java c assignment 1.java, and if everything goes right, you can simply do java space assignment 1. And if you are a Mac user, like I'm on Mac system right now, so it is pretty simple. You have to open terminal in the folder. So the difference is that here you are doing it, you are going to the folder with the command prompt. In the Mac, you can open the terminal directly in that folder, type touch space assignment 1.java, then do java c assignment 1.java, and then finally you do java space assignment 1. So since I'm on Mac, I'll do it directly. So I'll go to this folder, I'll do touch assignment 1.java. Now my file should be ready here. Okay, again I forgot, I have a Visual Studio Code with me, so I'll just do text edit here, and I'll go here and copy paste this entire thing. Let's see if I'm able to type it in one go or not. Okay, yeah, no, it is wrong. It's all my name is Vineet. I really want to learn Java and won't quit halfway. And finally the third one. Okay, how many of you have not subscribed the channel and liked the video? Please do that, because it will help to reach to someone who is struggling to program. I mean, the outreach increases with the as many likes and shares you do and the subscription you do of the windows. So please follow the third line, and here we go. So I've written okay, looks good. So I'll just save it. You can see it is showing edited. I'll just save it, close it, go back to my terminal. It is in the java c copy to code. So I'll do java c assignment 1.java. Oh my god, so many errors. Okay, so you can see I got lot many errors here. Maybe it is not okay. I'll tell you what is the issue here. We have the semicolon, but still it is not taking. So I'll just tell you how to do that. So you go here. Okay, not this one, which is the file. Yeah, assignment 1. Okay. So the first thing I need to do is I have to remove this. I think it does not take the semicolon directly pasted from a Word file. So I'll just retype it here because that was one of the issues. And the second issue is this quote thing. I'll just tell you how to get rid of that also. Very good, we got that. I promise. Okay, this quotes thing is also probably creating the problem, so I'll just remove these and put in fresh quotes. As you can see, the Google Doc thing, so if you're copy pasting my code from the doc, you'll have to probably change these things. Can you see different characters are coming, and Java wants the quote the way Java wants, as in the regular one. So I'll just remove this. Very good, we stumbled upon this error. And I'll just click here for faster use. All right, and now if I do it again, and it works. Now I'll simply do Java space assignment .java, and okay, I don't have to use the Java. See, again I'm going one. I just have to do Java assignment 1, and it works. Congratulations. So you can see I was able to type these 3 lines into my console using the same thing which I just wrote here. So instead of copying that, I'll actually paste this into the solution. That would make much more sense in case you want to copy paste. Yeah. Okay. Now the interesting part is, how do I share it on the course resource? This is an extra bonus that I'm showing it to you, maybe to further pique your interest in this course. So where is the solution which I just created? It was hiding in the recent folder. Now you can see I just created this solution. So I'll first rename it to a good one. So I'll say solution to first assignment, and okay. Next thing is I want a shareable link for this. So I'll just do the share thing here, and make sure anyone on the internet who has the link can actually do it. So I'll just copy the link. Now I have the link. Now here comes the interesting part. This particular course resource that I have done, is actually created in React.js. React.js is a framework that is used for web operations. Maybe in the future I'll do that also. So I'll just paste the link. Okay, I'll do the link. I'll just use this again. And I would change the items here. I would say first solution to first assignment. Don't worry about this. This is beyond this particular syllabus. This is actually front end in React. I am making it. So I'll just call it solution link. Now all I have to do is paste the solution that I have here, the link, in this particular section here. I'm just trying to be cool in front of you to show you that how much I know. I mean, just to show you that how much I know. So I've given this. Now you can see the course resources does not have the solution yet because I haven't loaded it yet. So I would first create a production build for this. Any changes requires a production build. And now I would do the cool thing of putting it on Google. My web page, that particular page is hosted on Google free of cost. Maybe if you stick long enough with me, I'll teach you how to do that also. It's very easy. It's free of cost. My page is hosted. So I'll just do, it's called as Google Firebase. So I'm using Google Firebase deploy, and I'll look very cool when things work like this. People see doing this. It looks like the movie screen, right? The black and white screen. And the deploy is complete. So now if I do a refresh, badumba, I get it here right away. So if I click on this, you can see the solution which we just created. Okay, so it loads and you can see it works perfectly fine. Alright, cool enough. Okay, see you in the next lecture with the Java basics when we start seriously. So please have a good breakfast or any food that you have, because we'll be going real into the details of how things work this time. Alright, thank you so much for watching this. Do like, share, subscribe the video. Bye bye.